In this question, we're told the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 46 centimeters. We're asked to give an example of what the other two lengths could be. First things first, highlight the key information. So we're told the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 46 centimeters. And we're also asked in this situation to give an example of what the other two lengths could be. Personally, I would start off by drawing a right angle triangle and fill in what information we know and what we're trying to find. So, assume that the edges will touch. So the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the right angle triangle, is 46 centimeters. Using Pythagoras' theorem, I'm going to say that that's side B and that's side A. So we're in a bit of a bind because we've got two lengths we don't know and we've got a hypotenuse that we do know. One of the possibilities we could do is potentially float around the idea that the two lengths, so A and B, are equal. So that means the side length B is equal to the side length A. Now I'm aware that my diagram isn't to scale by any means, so that's why I've drawn in the little straight lines in orange. So let's say that length B is X. And length A is also X, because as denoted by that, we're saying that they're equal. This side A and side B are equal to each other. So remember that Pythagoras' theorem says that C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Let's look at all the information we know for the letters. So we've got C squared, or C is equal to 46. A is equal to X and B is equal to X. So if we substitute these now into our Pythagoras' theorem or the equation, we know that it's 46 squared equals X squared plus X squared. Given that X squared plus X squared are like terms, we can add them together to get 2X squared, because we've got 1X squared plus 1X squared. So that gives us 2X squared. And then we get 46 squared. So using your calculator, we'll find that 46 squared is 2,116, and that equals to 2x squared. Divide this side by 2, divide that side by 2, they cancel out, and I get 1,058 equals x squared. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the square root, which is the inverse of the squared, and get square root of 1,058 equals x, and that will give me, hold on one moment, x equals 32.5, let's round it up to 53 centimeters. So what this tells me is that for a right angle triangle with a hypotenuse of 46 centimeters, each side length is equal to approximately 32.53 centimeters. So that's, this side is equal to 32.53 centimeters, and that side is equal to 32.53 centimeters.